Our planet is a world of water, with oceans covering more than 2/3 of its surface. For centuries, we've relied on the sea for food and transport, but now, as we face a climate crisis, we look to the ocean for clean, constant energy. Enter the underwater turbine. A windmill beneath the waves, designed to capture the immense, predictable power of the tides. Unlike wind or solar, tidal currents are always present, driven by the moon's gravitational pull. This relentless force offers a unique opportunity: energy that never sleeps. Imagine cities powered not by fossil fuels, but by the gentle, rhythmic push of the tides. Underwater turbines could mark a new chapter working with nature, not against it. The idea is simple: tap into a power source that's been flowing for millennia. Scientists and engineers are captivated by the potential of these underwater giants. Our need for clean energy is urgent. The climate is changing and we must move beyond coal, oil, and gas. Underwater turbines offer a path forward, meeting our energy needs without polluting the air. They symbolize human ingenuity, turning to nature for a sustainable partnership. Instead of exploiting the Earth, we can learn to harmonize with its cycles. The journey to harness this power is just beginning. The ocean's hidden energy could light the way to a cleaner future. Underwater turbines work much like wind turbines, but underwater. Large blades, attached to a central hub, are anchored to the seabed in areas with strong, reliable currents. As tides move in and out, water pushes the blades, turning them with incredible force. Water's density means even slow currents generate significant power. The spinning blades drive a rotor, which connects to a gearbox, increasing the speed. This motion powers a generator, where spinning magnets inside copper coils create electricity. The electricity travels through armored cables on the seafloor to a substation on shore. There, it's prepared for the national grid, ready to power homes and industries. The process is a seamless chain. The moon's pull creates tides, turbines capture kinetic energy, and generators turn it into electricity. All of this happens quietly, out of sight, beneath the waves. It's a way of borrowing energy from the ocean's natural rhythm. The predictable pulse of the tide becomes the light in our homes. Underwater turbines transform the ocean's movement into clean, reliable power. It's an elegant solution, hidden beneath the surface. Underwater turbines are a renewable energy source, powered by tides that will flow for billions of years. Unlike fossil fuels, tidal energy is everlasting and replenishes itself daily. Generating electricity this way produces virtually no greenhouse gases. Burning fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide, the main driver of climate change. Underwater turbines use only the mechanical force of water, making them a powerful tool against global warming. Another advantage: predictability. Tides are incredibly reliable, their timing and strength calculable years in advance. This makes tidal power valuable for managing electricity supply. Operators know exactly how much power to expect and when. Underwater turbines also have minimal visual impact. They're hidden beneath the sea, preserving the natural beauty of coastlines. Wind and solar can alter landscapes, but tidal energy works discreetly. We can generate large amounts of clean energy without changing what we see from shore. Tidal power is a respectful way to harness the planet's energy. It's reliable, clean, and nearly invisible. By tapping into the tides, we protect both our climate and our coastlines. The ocean's rhythm could be our cleanest, quietest ally. Despite their promise, underwater turbines face real challenges, especially for marine life. Oceans teem with creatures, and turbine blades could pose risks to fish, seals, and dolphins. While most blades turn slowly, the potential for collisions is a serious concern. Scientists use cameras and sonar to monitor animal behavior around turbines, but long-term effects remain uncertain. Turbines also generate low-frequency noise, which could disrupt marine mammals' communication and navigation. Large turbine arrays might alter water flow and sediment movement, impacting habitats for bottom-dwelling creatures. These complex systems require thorough environmental assessments before projects proceed. The goal: balance clean energy with ocean health. Innovations like slower blades and acoustic deterrents may help protect wildlife. Responsible development is key. Solving one problem must not create another. Tidal energy isn't just an environmental challenge, it's a financial and technical one too. Building underwater turbines is expensive. They require durable materials and specialized installation. Maintenance is tough. Repairs often need remote vehicles or divers, making fixes costly and dangerous. The technology is still young, with no standard design and ongoing experimentation. Without economies of scale, costs remain high compared to wind and solar. Connecting turbines to the grid means laying armored cables across the seabed and building new substations. These infrastructure needs add complexity and expense. Tidal energy is on a steep learning curve, but innovation is driving progress. Overcoming these hurdles is essential for tidal power to compete. The challenge is formidable, but the potential rewards are great. The future of energy is a family of renewables, each with unique strengths. Wind, solar, and underwater turbines all aim to generate clean electricity, but from different natural forces. Wind and solar have become cheaper and more widespread, but both face the challenge of intermittency. Tidal energy stands out for its predictability. Tides follow a cosmic timetable. This reliability makes tidal power a stable foundation for the energy grid. It complements wind and solar, filling gaps when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. A balanced grid could use all three: solar for daytime, wind for changing weather, and tides for constant, dependable power. The question isn't which is best, but how they work together. In coastal nations, underwater turbines could reduce the need for backup power or storage. Each technology plays a part in a resilient, clean energy system. Together, they can power a sustainable future. Tidal energy's potential is immense, but it can't meet all our global needs alone. Only certain locations have the strong currents needed for turbines, limiting where they can be installed. Even if we developed every suitable site, tidal energy would supply only a fraction of global electricity. Still, for coastal nations, it could provide a significant share, up to 10% or more. No single solution will solve our energy crisis. We need a diverse mix of renewables. Tidal energy's predictability makes it more valuable than its numbers suggest, providing stability to the grid. It's an essential piece of the puzzle, especially for island and coastal communities. Underwater turbines can reduce reliance on fossil fuels and support variable sources like wind and solar. The goal is a resilient, diverse energy system. In that system, the tides play a crucial role. Scientists and engineers are cautiously optimistic about underwater turbines. The technology is where wind power was decades ago, proven, but still evolving. Research focuses on making turbines more efficient, durable, and safer for marine life. New materials and designs aim to lower costs and simplify maintenance. Some turbines can now be serviced from the surface, reducing downtime and expense. There's hope that turbine structures could double as artificial reefs, benefiting marine ecosystems. Combining tidal energy with aquaculture or research could create multi-purpose ocean platforms. The goal: make tidal energy a mainstream, reliable part of the global grid. With continued innovation and support, costs will fall, just as they did for wind and solar. The vision is clear: quiet, clean power from the ocean, in harmony with nature. Underwater turbines can't power our future alone, but they must be part of it. Their reliability offers stability in a world seeking clean, constant energy. The challenges, cost, technology, environmental impact, are real, but so is our capacity for innovation. Every tidal kilowatt is one less from fossil fuels. Our choices today shape the planet's future. Wind, solar, and tidal energy are partners, not rivals, in building a resilient system. The sun, wind, and tides together can form the foundation of a new energy era. Underwater turbines are more than machines. They're a symbol of hope and a new relationship with nature. The path is long, but the ocean's promise is vast. In those restless waters flows the hope for a cleaner, brighter future for all.